Traveling is always dependent on how the weather is, and of course right now things are kind of dicey in this country.
Yeah, not the best time to be traveling, at least for today. However, things are starting to shape on up, especially as we head on to the second half of the week. But we're still going to be dealing with these overcast skies. If you are traveling, getting out the door to kickstart your holiday week, first off, happy holidays. Hopefully you enjoy time with your loved ones, but overcast skies, there is still that chance for some flurries, but this is what we're looking at. A system right now on top of us here in Ohio, but we're also dealing with some showers and thunderstorms in the Northeast that brought strong storms to the Carolinas yesterday, but also strong storms down into Florida on Saturday. But looking ahead towards the West Coast as well, they're also dealing with those scattered showers, but this is what we're seeing here in the Midwest. Just a decent amount of snow, but actually things are starting to clear on up. But these temperatures, this is just the beginning. Mid-30s in Toledo, Fort Wayne at 29, and Indy seeing temperatures in the low 30s. But looking just a little bit closer to your neighborhood, Fremont at 33, BG at 32, and Napoleon sitting at 33 degrees. So we're seeing our actual air temperatures, those gusty winds coming out of the northwest, making our temperatures feel slightly cooler, but we're going to be tracking wind gusts throughout the rest of the evening. So still bring in those loose outdoor objects or find ways to secure them. It's going to be breezy. Wind gusts around 35 to 45 miles an hour. There is still that chance for some snow, causing a few slick spots out on the roadways, and these are forecasted lows in the mid-20s, but can be feeling into the teens by tomorrow morning. So looking ahead towards these nighttime hours, most of that snow will eventually push on out of here later on tonight, and we'll see a decrease in clouds overnight and also into Tuesday morning. Things nice and dry as we head out the door for Tuesday morning. And I know a lot of us were really excited about that snow. I'm really excited to show you Snow Ducky. Now, there is that chance for some snow still for some of us for today, but then the rest of the week, things are actually going to be snow free. There is that chance for some rain for the end of the week. However, if you're looking for a white Christmas, yeah, not here in Ohio. But things are dry and cool for tomorrow, low 40s Wednesday and Thursday. And Thursday is the first day officially of winter. But I'll tell you what, feeling a lot more like November, especially by Christmas Day. We'll be in the mid 50s, but there is that chance for some rain. That's a look at your extended forecast.